Take a moment to check out the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. Answer the call to adventure in this clever and capable Ridgeline. From its ingenious cargo solutions and smooth ride to its powerful performance and customizable all-weather driving modes, this versatile pickup is ready to take you places in can-do style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC, power driver seat. Feel the freedom of the unconventional and the delight of the extraordinary. Come in today and test drive this Honda Ridgeline.